Now here, let's identify the distance from the surveyor to the base of the building or the adjacent side is 50 meters and the angle of elevation is 25 degrees. The height of the building, or this is the height of the building, the opposite side, and the length of the cable, which is our hypotenuse, are unknown. So we will going to solve the hypotenuse and the opposite. Now, using step 1, finding the height of the building or the opposite side, use the tangent ratio, the TOA, since we know the angle of elevation and the adjacent side. So we will use the tan tangent theta tangent theta is equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent, bring down the tangent r theta, or the angle of elevation, is the 25 degrees. 25 degrees, close and open, is equals to, the opposite is the height of the building. Height of the building. Height of the building over 50, which is the adjacent. Now, next, using a calculator, tangent 25 degree is equals to 0.4663. So we will multiply the height of the we will going to find the height of the building. So height of the building is equals to 50, which is the adjacent side, multiplied by our tangent, 0.4663 is equals to 23.31. Now we get the height of the building, or our opposite side. Opposite side is equals to 23.31. This is our opposite, or the height of the building. So our height of the building is 23.31. Now, the problem is we will going to solve again the hypotenuse. So to solve the hypotenuse, we use the cosine ratio, the K, to find the hypotenuse, because the angle of elevation, the adjacent, the opposite are given. So we will use the K. The cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So our bring down cosine. Our theta is 25 degrees. This is the angle of elevation, 25 degrees. Our adjacent is 50 degrees over hypotenuse. So now we're going to solve for the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equals to 50 degree over cosine 25 degree. So again, using a calculator, cosine 25 degrees is equals to 0.9063. Cosine 0.9063. So in finding the hypotenuse, we'll write in here hypotenuse is equals to 50 degree over 0.9063. You just divide it. 50 degrees divided by 0.9063 is equals to 55.1 meters. So the length of the cable is approximately 55.1 meters. So this is 55.1 meters. Now, our problem is solved. The height of the building is approximately 23.31 and the length of the cable is approximately 55.1 meters. Thank you.